Hey, what's up guys, Benji D here from 𝐤𝐬𝐞. So in today's video I'm actually going to be showing you how to repair the BMW passenger window. Now every other windows do go down. For example, the back one right here, my driver's side goes down, the back one over there, every window goes down except for this one. I'm not sure whether or not there's a common issue, but BMWs do experience a lot of electronic issues, so it may be a common one. Anyways, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to repair the side passenger window, or any window, matter of fact. Let's get it. Now, I went into the glove compartment and I was able to access the fuse box right behind this panel over here. So you're going to see two turn locks. That's what I'm going to call it, turn locks. So you simply twist it, twist the second one. Then you're able to pull out this panel just like that. Here's the fuse box. Once again, this is the first thing I attempted to do. I wanted to make sure it wasn't a fuse that blew out or a fuse that was too old. Now, the only reason I did this step first is because I actually went in the back of the trunk. I seen the diagram and I did see a fuse for the passenger side window. The passenger side window, it's fuse 11 and 12. So I switched both of them and the window still didn't work. So here's what I ended up doing to resolve it. Okay. And by the way, the passenger window switch will not put it down. See? Doesn't work. My driver's side will not put it down. Doesn't work. Here's what I did. Alright, now what you want to do is use a prying tool, get into the crevice of this panel right here, and pop that shit out. It is going to be tough for you to do. Step 2, what you actually want to do is change out this button right here. This button is no longer any good, and this is how I found this out. So, disconnected the button, right? Hard to do with one hand, but there it is. So I disconnected the button, and guess what? It works, right? Right? It works. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this disconnected and put the panel back on, so that way I'm at least able to control it from the driver's side. The moment the button got disconnected, I am able to control it. I did remove a button from the X6, I think it is, the BMW X6. I put it on there, tested it out. It does work. The fit is not proper, so I can't slap that button into here. So what I want you to do is let me know what kind of car you have down in the comments below, and I'll be sure to further assist you. That pretty much wraps it up for today's video, guys. Benji D here from 𝐤𝐬𝐞. You know I'm out. Peace.